Alright, so in this video we're looking at code.org lesson 4, shapes and parameters, and we're looking at the practice. So we're doing a debugging of these shapes. We have all these shapes right here with their coordinates, and everything looks like it should be pretty good, but when we run it, we end up with just one shape and one color. So we got to figure out how to fix this. So if we go down here, we said do this, debug the code, so that it shows what's on the right over here. And we don't have to add any new code to this, but we want our image over here to look like this. So if we look through our set of code here, we can see that we have orange and yellow and green and blue and indigo and violet and red, but all we show is really red. It looks like that. Looks like the red right there. And so something's going on here, right? So it looks like, that maybe things are out of order, right? So if this is the last shape that's drawn that's red, and 200, 200, 400, so the width is 400 by 400, so it's taking up a good section of the screen. And it looks like, the orange and the yellow look like they're about the correct size. So let's try just moving this red up to the top and moving the ellipse for that up to the top, because it looks like these actually go together. Because we do want this outer shape to be the largest, we just want this to be the first shape that's drawn so that the next shape that's orange can go over top of it, and then yellow, and then green, and then blue, and then purple, and indigo, looks like, or indigo, and then violet. So this is kind of the order that we want them. So let's take a look. Let's go ahead and run that. And there we go. Pretty straightforward one there. We just want to make sure that, as these are drawn on here, the largest one we want to go down first. That's what this is. And then the next largest, so you can see that with the width and height right here. 400, then 340, then 280, then 220, and so on. And so they go down in size. And basically, they're just printing over top of one another. All right. Hopefully that helped you with your coding, and good luck.